Here come 2026 Mobile Award held at Couple Life in Manchester on March 26. Arasta and Whiskey among biggest bet ever. Nigerian music star Arasta has had her name in global music history, a landmark victory at the Mobile Award. Arasta make history, defeat Cardi B and Tyla at Mobile Award. Arasta win Best International Act at Mobile Award. Nigeria superstar Whiskey has once again dominated on the global stage, winning Best African Music Act at the 2026 Mobile Award. Whiskey win Best African Music Act at the 2026 Mobile Award, beat Davido, Tyla, and Rema. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment on this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.